Did you know that the ancient Aztecs used to consume chia seeds for energy and endurance? These chia seeds, known scientifically as Salvia hispanica, were highly prized for their medicinal properties and nutritional value. But what's even more interesting is that these seeds were a vital part of Aztec warriors' diets, believed to provide them with the strength and vitality needed to triumph in battle. Fast forward to the present day, and these humble seeds have found their way into our kitchens and diets owing to their impressive nutritional profile. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals. However, the most astounding aspect of chia seeds is their potential to combat high blood sugar levels, a common health issue that affects millions worldwide. High blood sugar, or hyperglycemia, is a typical symptom of diabetes. It occurs when the body has an excess of glucose in the bloodstream, either due to low insulin production or insulin resistance. If left untreated, it can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease, kidney damage, and nerve damage. This is where the mighty chia seeds come into play. They have a unique ability to slow down digestion and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This is primarily because they're high in fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and helps maintain a steady blood sugar level. Furthermore, these tiny seeds also help in weight management, another crucial aspect of controlling blood sugar levels. Chia seeds have a high satiety index, meaning they keep you fuller for longer, helping to curb overeating and aiding in weight loss. So whether you're battling diabetes, pre-diabetes, or simply wish to maintain a healthy lifestyle, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be an excellent step towards health. They can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, salads, or even baked goods. Remember, taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle can make a big difference in the long run. Stay with us to learn more about the power of chia seeds for blood sugar control, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful health content. So, how does a tiny seed control blood sugar? The secret lies in its rich fiber content. Yes, you heard it right. The chia seed, that little speck you sprinkle on your smoothie or mix into your oatmeal, is a powerhouse of fiber, a nutrient that plays a vital role in managing blood sugar levels. But how does this work, you ask? Well, fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body can't fully break down and absorb. Instead, it passes through your system mostly undigested, which is a good thing. Why? Because as it travels through your digestive system, it slows things down. It's like a speed bump on the road to digestion, if you will. This slow procession means that the carbohydrates in your meal are also absorbed more gradually into your bloodstream. The result, a steadier rise in blood sugar instead of a sudden spike. This is crucial for people with diabetes who need to manage their blood sugar levels carefully. But don't just take my word for it, there's solid research to back up these claims. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that participants who consumed chia seeds had significantly lower post-meal blood sugar levels and a greater feeling of fullness compared to those who didn't consume chia seeds. Another study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet high in fiber-rich foods like chia seeds could help improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. And it's not just about blood sugar. A high-fiber diet can also help with weight management, heart health, and even certain types of cancers. So, chia seeds are really punching above their weight, so to speak. These tiny seeds are therefore a great tool for those struggling with diabetes or anyone wanting to maintain a balanced blood sugar level. They're not a magic bullet, but they can certainly be a part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. So, it's time to sprinkle some chia magic into your meals and experience the benefits for yourself. Remember, good health is not just about avoiding illness, it's about thriving, and chia seeds can help you do just that. But chia seeds are not just about blood sugar control, they are a nutritional powerhouse. So let's dive deeper into these tiny gems and explore their other nutritional benefits. One of the most remarkable things about chia seeds is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Now, you might have heard about these healthy fats before. They are essential for our body as they help reduce inflammation, enhance brain function, and even support heart health. But what you might not know is that chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of these beneficial fats. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain more omega-3 than a serving of salmon. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of calcium. You might be thinking, calcium? Isn't that in milk? Yes, it is, but it's also in chia seeds. In fact, they contain 5 times more calcium than milk per ounce. This makes them a fantastic source of this essential mineral, especially for those who don't consume dairy. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our bodies from damage by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to aging and diseases. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, more so than most fruits and vegetables. Lastly, chia seeds are a great source of quality protein. Protein is crucial for our bodies as it helps build and repair tissues, make enzymes, and support immune function. And unlike most plant-based proteins, chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. So, what does all this mean? Well, by incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're not only supporting your blood sugar levels but also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. You're boosting your heart health, strengthening your bones, protecting your cells, and supporting your overall well-being. Chia seeds, then, are not just good for your blood sugar, but for your overall health. They are a small but mighty addition to your diet, a real powerhouse of nutrition. So why not give them a try and experience the benefits for yourself? You might be surprised by how much these tiny seeds can do for you. Now that you know about the amazing benefits of chia seeds, you might be wondering, how can I add them to my diet? With their subtle, nutty flavor and versatile nature, chia seeds can be incorporated into your meals with little to no effort. Let's explore some tasty and beneficial ways to weave these nutritional powerhouses into your everyday diet. First off, smoothies. These are a fantastic and refreshing way to start your day. Add a spoonful of chia seeds into your favorite smoothie blend. Whether it's a green detox smoothie or a berry blast, chia seeds will complement it perfectly, adding a nutritious kick without changing the flavor profile. Plus, they'll give your smoothie a satisfying texture. Moving on to salads, sprinkling a handful of chia seeds on top of your leafy greens not only adds a delightful crunch, but also enhances the nutrient content of your salad. They blend well with all sorts of dressings, and their mild flavor doesn't overpower the other ingredients. Another great option is yogurt. Mix in a spoonful of chia seeds into your bowl of yogurt for a protein and fiber boost. You can also top it with some fresh fruits for added vitamins and a pop of color. This makes for a perfect snack or a light dessert that's both delicious and good for you. Last but not least, chia seeds can be soaked overnight. This method is especially popular due to the transformation chia seeds undergo when soaked. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like consistency. This chia pudding can be enjoyed with a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, or even some mixed berries for a sweet treat that's packed with health benefits. These are just a few of the countless ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. The best part is that these tiny seeds are virtually tasteless, allowing them to blend seamlessly into a wide variety of meals. This means you can enjoy the health benefits of chia seeds without altering the taste of your favorite foods. Adding chia seeds to your diet is easy and beneficial. Give it a try. So, there you have it. The power of chia seeds for blood sugar control. These tiny powerhouses are not only effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels, but they also offer a myriad of other health benefits. From being a great source of fiber that aids digestion, to being packed with antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals, chia seeds truly live up to their superfood status. Moreover, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet, whether it's sprinkling them on your morning oatmeal, blending them into your smoothie, or adding them to your baking. The possibilities are endless. It's a small dietary change that can make a significant difference. Remember, small changes in your diet can have big impacts on your health, so why not give chia seeds a chance? Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of food as medicine.